Greetings, comrades, it is I, the Supreme Leader. Yes, this is a text-to-speech thing cause I don't want to use my actual voice. One of my family members told me to watch something known as Emoji Cat. So I'm gonna do that right now. Let me look it up.
Oh my God, bro.
Get your ass on,
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell.
Man, WTF are these kids searching? This short is fine, nothing bad, yet. Man, WTF. I have been saved. Man, WTH, doctor, that's a minor. For what happened next? The girl farted after being violated. Who TF is making these kinds of videos for money?
Oh my God,
Man, BTF did I just watch? You comrades are lucky I added 10 Giro to protect your eyes. Me, I didn't have that. I watched the entire thing. No censor. It felt so painful, like 6 hyenas clawing your eyes while burning gasoline was poured on top while that annoying music played. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm just gonna give a very kind speech. Sa taong gumagawa nito, sana mamatay ka na sa malibog mong pag-iisip. Pinopost mo ang mais na ito sa isang platform na may mga bata dito. Sinisira mo ang isipan ng mga batang ito. Hindi mo ba gets? Hay nako! Ngayon, excuse me, magpapaputi ako ng mata ko.